Well, it was supposed to be a nice, relaxing day in Awassa. Actually turned into a full day of working on my bicycle, which is failing me left and right. Coming into town last night, I had the same problem as I did heading towards Addis, where the rear wheel just started breaking spokes. It was rideable, but wasn't able to continue past Awassa without doing some major work. So took it to a shop today, replaced all the spokes. The entire wheel has been rebuilt. How's it going, man?
It's going well.
You enjoying the ride today?
Heck yeah. Topped out at what, 53 kilometers per hour?
This has been a crazy beautiful ride. It's like lots of hills, lots of adrenaline, but you know, I like this right now. This is great. I think this is something I need to soak up as much as I can before Kenya.
Yeah.
It's really lush in Ethiopia. Kenya's just going to be hot and dry for a while. So enjoy the green spaces while I can. How you holding up?
Got a lot more training to do.
Well, this very well may have just talked me out of camping out tonight. There's a sign of a large predator. To see this dead zebra is, you know, it's a bit unnerving. I don't know if I really want to be in a tent tonight. Here's an anthill up close. This one's new. It's being formed as we speak. So tomorrow is a big day for me for 3 reasons. 1, it'll be my last day of riding in Ethiopia, and then I cross into Kenya. 2, it is 2 years to the day from when I swore in as a Peace Corps volunteer. And then 3, it will be when I hit 1,000 miles. I'm between Mega and Moyale, which is the border town. So it's a 100K stretch. This is the final bit to the border with Kenya. I guess my choice is to sleep in the bed with the sex germs or to sleep on the floor with the cockroaches. You know, I choose cockroaches.